Oh, jeez.
Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Boone County, Central Hamilton County, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Zionsville, or 19 miles southeast of Frankfort, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Typical.
This is a radar-indicated threat. Is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Westfield around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Carmel, Morse Reservoir, Noblesville, and Fishers.
Oh, no.
This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 204 and 209. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Boone, and Hamilton. Taking a look at the 4 through 7 day forecast for Indiana.